Nakajingtmu ke Sorkar Jilla ban kentir ya kam jengok kai perthai syakeleng ki jaka sang suwari ke Jilla hakalai tarik ujeliu arja arpusan ke Tnad forest kala IT no ya nan Polok ke wei ni ki jaka jengok kai perthai ke badan hapedeng kenong ba Shillong syak Tnad tourism. Ya kini la IT do menteri rang ba ke Jilla konrad ke sang ma hakasngi ba ke Tnad tourism ke Sorkar Jilla ke penlong ya ke Hello Meghalaya integrated grand disbursement event ke long State Convention Center. Hagni kesngi layodon lang ru dau ba Pol Lingdo Menteri Tnad kam jengok kai perthai ke Jilla u Dr. Vijay Kumar D IAS Commissioner but Secretary Tnad Tourism ki officer Tnad Forest nalor kiwe de. Haba ajing kran u konrad halor ke jingtmu ke Sorkar ban penthmai ya nan Polok Menteri rang ba ula pen iru da ke video ba ke Sorkar kala pen wandur sani na ke bentab ban snapen Tnad susu ya kini ke jaka. Ulo angru basyan ansa khot tender no yakani ke projek bat ke Sorkar kala dab Mang hadu arpau Klur ban pelut hakani ke projek.
We are also here to see the official rehanding over of Words Lake to the Department of Tourism. I was telling the Honorable Chief Minister the other day that the closure of the lake happens to be at the same time when our official working hours end, which is 5 p.m. And we would like to see our office goers actually taking a stroll around the lake for at least 40 minutes after they leave office. The lake is also iconic because it is the oldest artificial lake in northeast India and was designed for the recreation of the colonial officers since 1894.
It's not our job to promote tourism in a forest area. So therefore, the tourism department is the correct department, and I just want to show you a small picture or video if something is there. Yeah, so just show this video. So this is what we have in mind for Words Lake. I think it'll give you a fair idea of what we are looking at. And this is just again part of one of the programs that we have. And of course, this will be of course a very important part. But yeah. This promenade is going to be on the opposite side of the road. It's not on the Words Lake side, so it's above towards the DC office, DC house and Pinewood and all that section. Yeah, so all of this will come up in that area. This is of course that view. Last one was the waterfront in Polok. That's not Words Lake, that last one. But yeah, so overall this is what the project proposal is. The detail, of course, drawings and all are already done. The tendering is done already. Yeah, so in the maybe a week's time, 10 days time, hopefully tender will be done. It's about a 46. How much? Oh, 20 crores. So, yeah. So the Words Lake section is about 20 crores, and the ones on top, I think, is separate. The promenade and all will be additional. So, we realize that it's an important part, and obviously there's a huge potential there. We want to create amphitheaters also out there for our musicians to perform. We would like to see that even movies are played. So the movies you make, hopefully we'll showcase them. We want us kind of a calendar, kind of event taking place that everybody knows that every Saturday if you go at 5 o'clock, a local movie that has been made will be playing out there at a certain given time. So all those things are planned and part of this entire larger proposal and the mindset that we have.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kam lu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya